Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto. This is my YouTube channel, Save with Crypto. Please do like and subscribe to it. I've got 8,000 subscribers now. I really want to get to 10,000, but I suppose 9,000 first is good. So be one of those if you're not already. Anyway, last night I put out this video quite late actually, and I wasn't really in the mood really. It was called Bitcoin is about to do something and it might not be very pretty. Okay, I might have changed my mind slightly on that because to be honest, I didn't know what was going to happen. It looked like it was going to go down, and consequently I came out of all my trades and I wanted to have a good night's sleep. Weirdly enough, I had a strange dream about an ex-girlfriend, and it was quite horrible actually. Anyway, it was nice to wake up this morning, to no massive red candles and seeing thousands wiped out of my account. So that was a good thing. So Friday's good so far. Now, I've got to go out later on today to get my windscreen changed on my car because it's got a crack in it. So I won't be around this afternoon at the New York Open, so that's going to be a bit scary to be away from a screen. Imagine that. What I was interested in this morning was a couple of alerts I got from Stonksy. Stonksy is this indicator here, and if you use my link, which is savewithcrypto.org/Stonksy, you can get 30% off the annual plan by using the code SWC30. I think that still works anyway. Anyway, Stonksy is a really cool indicator and it works best, I think, on the 1 hour time frame. So what we're looking at here is Ethereum USD on the 1 hour time frame, and this one here is Bitcoin USD on the 1 hour time frame. And with Ethereum, I got this alert here saying that the background here had gone green. That was about 7 o'clock this morning, so about 2.5 hours ago. So I did jump into a Ethereum long position there. Bitcoin I also did as well, because I'm thinking that Bitcoin will kind of follow what Ethereum does. And Ethereum has been down for so long, and it had this massive drop off at the end of the weekend, and it's just looking terrible really. But I think it's probably due for a bounce. But if this Stonksy indicator is showing green, I'm fairly confident that it will do something at least like what Bitcoin did here, and we'll see a nice little push up. I mean, maybe only as far as like there, 28.48, but even so, I do want to trade it going up. Maybe up to this 99 level where it seems to sort of like bang its head against, but it's possible as well that it might go up to here, up to about 102. So consequently, I have gone long on ByBit here with Bitcoin. So this one's currently 3% in profit, which is okay. I will be putting a stop loss at break even very soon as we've cleared it a little bit. So I'm doing this on ByBit. If you want to trade on ByBit, if you use my link, savewithcrypto.org/ByBit, you can get up to a $30,000 trading bonus, depending on the amount of deposit you make and the amount of trading volume you achieve. You can't use ByBit in every country, so maybe BitGet is available. So a lot of countries you can use BitGet, which is also one of my preferred exchanges. So here I'm trading Ethereum here, which is like $15 in profit, not very big. Also there's a little Bitcoin one here. It's slightly underwater at the moment, but I'm expecting that to get into profit fairly soon. If you want to trade on BitGet, I can get you a $30,000 trading bonus there as well if you do the right deposit and achieve a certain trading volume. So if you want that, go to savewithcrypto.org/BitGet. If you want to trade without KYC, so you don't want to tell the platform who you are, which is perfectly fine if that's what you choose to do, you can use Blofin, which I use as well. I can get you big deposits and reduce trading fees there if you use my link, savewithcrypto.org/Blofin. If you want to use no KYC, no VPN in any country at all except China, North Korea and Iran, you can use Bitunix. Bitunix is becoming one of my favourite exchanges at the moment, so do check that out as well. I have various offers on from time to time, but as with all my exchange links, as soon as I've got 100 active traders using one of these platforms, I will be doing a $1,000 giveaway to a random trader within that first 100 people. So do use my link for Bitunix as well, savewithcrypto.org/Bitunix. You'll find the links to all these in the description of this video. Right, enough of that shilling. Let's get back to the price action. Okay, so this isn't quite as good as I would have hoped actually, because the background on the Ethereum one on the 1 hour time frame has actually just gone into a no trade zone, sort of where it goes black there. Okay, so I'm going to have to keep an eye on this one because I want that to stay green really. I mean, that might change to green in the next 42 minutes when that candle closes. Bitcoin is still red. Okay, so at this point in time, I'd probably think, okay, well, I'll look at some other indicator. Now, if you are a tight arse and you don't want to buy Stonksy, what you can do is use the EMAs that I use. That's these things here. Okay, so these red, cyan, yellow and green lines are a 5, 9, 21 and 55 EMA. And these give a pretty good idea of the way the price is going to go. It's not quite as good as Stonksy, but I like to use them in conjunction with each other, to be honest. And if we look at these on the 1 hour time frame, and what I'm looking for really is that yellow to cross over the green, which is it's not doing at the moment, and it's not doing it either on Bitcoin. However, the red one, which is the fastest moving one, is starting to move up a little bit there on Ethereum, and on Bitcoin it's getting towards that yellow one there. Okay, so what I tend to do here is I tend to look at lower time frames, even right down to say the 5 minute, and I look for crosses there. So in both these cases you can see that the yellow and green crossed over this morning at 8 o'clock for Ethereum and about 9 o'clock for Bitcoin. Okay, so at this point I probably think, okay, let's look at a higher time frame, something like the 7 minute. 7 minute they crossed as well. Let's try a 10 minute. It's looking good actually. So 15 minute they crossed. So really what I want to see is a 30 minute cross on Bitcoin, which is not there yet. So I'm going to keep my eye on that. With Ethereum, let's say 15 minute is good and the 30 minute isn't. So in both cases I'm looking at the 30 minute time frame, looking for this yellow to cross over the green and the yellow to cross over the green there as well. And if that happens, I think we're going to be okay, and I think the price will go up. If you want to know how to set these EMAs up, there's a video linked at the end of this video. So what you need to do is watch the rest of the video, and while you're there, like it. So when you get to the end of this video, you'll see a link to that one there on how to set up these EMAs. And it's a totally free indicator on TradingView. So if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I'm going to be out for most of the day today, unfortunately, so I might not be so good at replying to your questions and comments, but I'll do my best. But while you're down there, do make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notifications set and all. And remember to give the video a great big fat like. And above all, tell your friends.
Save with Crypto has to be one of the best YouTube channels that the United States has ever seen. Kamala Harris is not a subscriber, but I am. I have notifications set to all as well. I'd strongly suggest you subscribe to Save with Crypto today. Above all, you should tell your friends.
Save with Crypto is not a financial advisor. He just makes ice cream on the internet. If you cannot find someone to do your own research, you must do it yourself, just like I did not.